I'm here at one of the Xiaomi stores to give a quick hands-on of the Redmi K40. And that's my friend Simi. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. It supports up to 33 watt faster charging. The Redmi K40 sports a 6.67-inch E4 AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 300Hz touch response, a tiny 2.76 mm punch hole cutout, and a 3.5 mm slim bottom bezel. It weighs at 196 grams. Actually feels pretty awesome in the hands. Not too heavy or something. The only thing that maybe bumps me out is the middle frame. It's made of polycarbonate. I'm not sure if you will have this kind of paint loss problem after a long time of using, but most likely you will get a phone case anyway, so no problem. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 paired with 8 GB RAM and up to 256 GB storage, and yeah, it supports a micro SD card expansion as well. As for the cameras, the Redmi K40 comes with a 48 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 5 megapixel micro lens. There is a 20 megapixel camera on the front for selfies and video chats. It comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor as well. The battery is 4520 mAh battery, and if you are curious to know how does this sound, since you know it supports Dolby, Adams, those things, let's check out. And the biggest difference between the K40 and the Pro is the SoC. The 40 sports Snapdragon 870 and the Pro version sports Snapdragon 888. For the specific specs, I just put a picture here. So for the Redmi K40 Pro and Redmi K40 Pro Plus, they don't have the Pro Plus version here. The biggest difference between the Pro and the Pro Plus is the camera. The Redmi K40 Pro gets a triple camera, includes 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 5 megapixel micro lens. The Pro Plus version, on the other hand, has a 108 megapixel Samsung HM2 sensor alongside 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera. The selfie camera is also 20 megapixel. And that's it. That's a really simple hands-on. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm Sammy. See you next time.